So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos of the Volvo and the Firebird, then don't forget to let me know down below in the comments. I am gonna work on a build breakdown kind of video on the Firebird because a lot of people want to know what wheels and tires it has, engine, transmission, stuff like that. So definitely stay tuned for one of them videos. And if you like this video of the Firebird doing some slow motion, I don't know. Then don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe down below because there's gonna be more of this badass content on this channel very soon. When also we get the Dodge Dart drag racing project on the street again. So definitely stay tuned on that.